Blackhead Village is a small community located on the eastern coast of Newfoundland, Canada. It is situated on the scenic coastline of the Avalon Peninsula, approximately 20 kilometers north of St. John's, the capital city of Newfoundland and Labrador. It is part of the larger municipality of Flat Rock. Like many communities in Newfoundland, Blackhead Village has a rich history tied to fishing and maritime activities. The area was originally settled by European fishermen in the 17th century, attracted by the abundant fish stocks along the coast. The village is known for its stunning coastal scenery, with rugged cliffs, rocky shorelines, and panoramic views of the Atlantic Ocean. It is surrounded by picturesque landscapes, including rolling hills, green meadows, and dense forests. Blackhead Village has a tight-knit community that values its heritage and natural surroundings.
Thank you very much.
Residents are known for their friendliness and hospitality, and the village has a strong sense of community spirit. Visitors to Blackhead Village can enjoy a variety of outdoor activities, including hiking, whale watching, bird watching, and coastal exploration. The nearby East Coast Trail offers scenic hiking routes with breathtaking views of the coastline and surrounding wilderness. The village is home to several historic landmarks and sites of cultural significance, including traditional fishing stages, heritage homes, and archaeological sites dating back centuries. These sites offer insight into the area's rich maritime history and cultural heritage. Overall, Blackhead Village is a charming coastal community that offers visitors a peaceful retreat amidst stunning natural landscapes and a glimpse into Newfoundland's maritime heritage.